Today I'm going to unbox the brand new iPhone 11. Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox the brand new iPhone 11. I picked it up on September 20th, the first day that they were available. Now, full disclosure, Apple did give me this phone after I gave them $700, so I paid for it myself. All right, you can see I'm here with my wingman R2D2. He was interested in checking out the brand new iPhone 11 as well, so figured I'd let him help me out with this unboxing. Calm down, R2. All right, let's get to it. iPhone 11. Now, this is the space gray 64 gigabyte of storage model. It's the base model. The price was $700. R2, that's $50 less than the iPhone XR was last year. It's a price reduction. It's not too much money. All right, let's get to it. I don't think I need an unboxing knife for this. This is an iPhone. Should just be able to... Look at that. No unboxing knife required. And glides right open. Kind of a glossy glass back finish. And then you immediately notice the two cameras. It looks all right. Now the glass around the two cameras, that is actually matte. Give this a pull. All right. Try and power it on. I'll just put that over here for a second. All right, first up, looks like instructions. SIM ejection tool. Take that out because I'm going to use it. Apple stickers. All that stuff to the side. Next up, let's see what we have in here. Apple earbuds. Now, these are the ones with the Lightning connector. There's no headphone jack on the phone here. RT, you don't have a headphone jack either. There's no headphone 3.5 millimeter adapter. That's just the way it is with the iPhones these days. All right, next up, USB-A to Lightning port cable. Hey, come back here. You don't have a USB-C port either. You have a micro USB port. Sorry about this, guys. He's very animated today. Next up, the charger. This is a 5-watt charger. Yeah, I know. It's a 5-watt charger. It's slow. You didn't even come with a charger in the box. I had to use one of my own chargers to charge you up. All right. Let's check out the phone. All right, now I'm generally not too big on going through specs, but since I'm doing the unboxing video, I'll run through them quickly. So this is the iPhone 11, 64 gigabytes, space gray finish. Oh, you like space, huh? Okay. This is the base model. It was $699, $50 less than the iPhone XR was last year. Weighs 6.8 ounces. It has what they call the Liquid Retina HD display. So it's an LCD display. It's not an OLED display. But Apple makes probably the best LED displays for phones. So I think it's pretty good. And then it has the 1792 by 828 pixel resolution. And that's 326 ppi. Now, a lot of people will talk about the fact that this phone is not 1080p. You don't even have a display, R2. Look, you have no LCD display at all, no LED display. You just have a bunch of LED blinking lights. All right, so just getting through this. Has haptic touch. Supposedly this phone is waterproof or splash proof. It's rated at IP68. Maximum depth of 2 meters for up to 30 minutes. Has the new Apple A13 Bionic chip with 3rd generation neural engine. All right, next up on the back, we have the dual cameras. These are 12 megapixel cameras. And this is new for the iPhone 11. Previously, the iPhone XR had one camera. So one of these is a wide camera. The other is what they call an ultra-wide camera. And the ultra-wide camera gives you a 120-degree field of view. It's got a 2x optical zoom out and digital zoom up to 5x. Don't use digital zoom. It's not a good idea. All right, now I want to talk to you a little bit about the model that I bought here. This was the full price Verizon model. Now this phone should be unlocked, and I plan on using it with TracFone's AT&T towers. And this phone is for a family member, but if you have a YouTube channel and you talk about prepaid wireless and make all these videos, you get sent out to pick up the phones and set up family members. So let's see what's in here. There should be a Verizon SIM card in here. Pop that out. All right, there's the Verizon SIM card. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to pop in my TracFone AT&T Tower SIM card, and we'll see if the phone is unlocked, and it should be. It should just work fine. Okay, I'm back. R2 and I got the phone set up. I have the TracFone AT&T Tower SIM card in here. I'm going to check to see whether or not data is working. Let's try visiting apple.com. And you can see that's working perfectly fine. So the reason I wanted to show you that was because this was the full-priced Verizon phone, not the SIM-free unlocked phone. Now, all the models this year are the same in the US for the different iPhone 11 models. But I bought the Verizon one because that was the one that I was able to pick up on the first day that it was available. All right, what else can I tell you or show you here? I picked up a case. I got the Spigen Neo Hybrid. Now, you can pick this up on Amazon. I think it's about 13 bucks. And let's just get this out of the box. Nothing else in there. Box to the side. Pretty basic case. Has like this herringbone pattern on the bottom, cutouts on the bottom for the speakers, for the lightning port, camera cutout, cutout for the sleep wake switch, and then plastic covers on the buttons. Just snap that in there. Yeah, it definitely makes the phone feel bigger. Now you do have the raised lip here, so if you put your phone face down on the table, you won't scratch the screen. And then you can see the camera cutout here. This does a couple things. One, it gives you some protection for the camera by having a raised lip here. And then when you put this on the table, now it's actually flush. So if you put this thing down on the table with that camera hump there, it's not stable. So far this phone is looking pretty cool. Since I had to set it up anyway, I figured I'd do an unboxing. All right, let's get a picture of R2 here. Let's have him pose with the iPhone box. Here you go, R2. You can stand next to the iPhone box and I'll get a picture of you. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think, R2? You know, you sound like you're not so impressed. Oh, you like it? Cool. All right, guys. That's going to be it for this video, and I will talk to you next time. Say goodbye, R2. Brilliant, R2. Brilliant. You're such a show-off.